Welcome to Scenario Spark. Are you scared to imagine a future where robots take over all jobs by 2050? Sounds like a plot straight out of a dystopian movie, right? But what if I told you this could be our reality? Picture this. Factories run entirely by machines, no human workers in sight. From building cars to assembling gadgets, robots do it all tirelessly without breaks. Sounds efficient, doesn't it? But here's where it gets chilling. What happens to the millions of people who lose their jobs? Unemployment rates skyrocket and entire industries collapse. Let's talk about the service sector. Imagine walking into a restaurant and being served by a robot. No friendly smiles, no small talk, just cold mechanical efficiency. Hospitals staffed by AI doctors and nurses. Sounds advanced, but where's the human touch, the empathy? Now think about education. Kids taught by robots learning from algorithms instead of human teachers. Sure, they might get perfect grades, but what about creativity? Critical thinking, the essence of being human. And with all jobs taken over by robots, who controls them? The corporations that own these machines becoming unimaginably powerful. Wealth concentrated in the hands of a few while the rest of us struggle to survive. A world divided more sharply than ever before. But it's not just about jobs. Robots could also control our daily lives, from surveillance to law enforcement, every aspect monitored and dictated by AI. Privacy becomes a thing of the past, freedom, a distant memory. So what if robots took over all jobs by 2050? It's a terrifying future, one where we must ask ourselves, at what cost do we pursue technological advancement? And are we ready to face the consequences? Stay curious, stay cautious. Until next time, don't forget to subscribe